Hello guys and welcome back to Workshop Wednesday. I'm Tom and this is the Van Haven Workshop. We're just going to catch up with a few of the guys and see what they're doing, but there is one special van I want us to have a look at. Daniel,
right.
Workshop Wednesday.
Yes.
Just a quick one, because I want to go and concentrate on a van in the corner, but just a quick one. What are you doing today?
Nothing. We have been doing the, what would we say? This is the motorbike.
Oh,
camper.
this is going to be another utilitarian vehicle, motorbike, camper, everything, family wagon. It's going to be pretty sick.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Thanks, Dan.
Oh, that's right, mate. Bye.
I've got a van I want you to see. I want to go over something with you guys. I'll get the guy that built it, but you got to come and check it out. Come on. This is the van. It's a beautiful Starlight Blue van. We're going to take a look inside in a second. We'll go over the wheels, the suspension, the body kit, and everything the guys built on the inside for the customer. But as you can see, we've got Freddie here. Hello, Freddie.
Hello, hello. Right.
Yeah, Workshop Wednesday. What are you doing?
So I'm doing this tailgate on here.
I'm just going to duck down here,
I'm
mate.
using bulk PPF for this. Normally we use patterns.
I'm going to have to stop you there just for 1 second. And I know some of the viewers will know what PPF is, but for those that don't, what is PPF?
So PPF is paint protection film.
Okay.
It's scratch proof, self-healing with a 10-year warranty.
Yeah.
So it basically locks in the paint underneath for
wow.
10 years.
Okay.
Obviously it's removable, so you know you're going to have your car or van protected for 10 years minimum.
That's pretty clever stuff.
Yeah.
And is this a popular product, would you say?
Yeah, so it's becoming more popular. Where I used to work was more predominantly supercars because that's where it all started from.
Yeah.
They're much lower to the ground, but as it's progressed and technology's got a bit better, now it's turned to satin PPF, so you can actually convert the colour of a car. So this is a clear film, but it's a satin finish on the top.
You've done some of the front, haven't you?
Yeah, so the front's done and the metallic
we'll swing round and have a quick gander now.
Typically, you would use templates, so you don't have to run a knife on anything.
You cutting on it?
No, so I'm cutting it out before.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So the problem with this is that because it's quite a complex piece.
It's quite thick, isn't it?
It's very thick.
Yeah.
But this is actually cut up into many joins, and I don't want any joins because I'm making it satin.
We don't want any joins either.
Yeah, it catches your eye. So I'm doing this in bulk, but all the other panels along the van are all pre-cut kits.
Oh, sick.
Which I cut at home on my
nice.
plotter.
Oh, nice one, Freddie.
So, but yeah, it's obviously 10-year warranty, self-healing. It's got a hydrophobic coating.
You literally like, what?
Yeah, so it's like a ceramic coating which is built in.
Yeah.
And the beauty of it is because it's film, it doesn't wear off over time.
Epic.
It will be like this for however long it's on the car.
I like that.
And you know, it's a 10-year warranty, but I've seen cars that have had it on for 15 years.
Oh, bloody hell. Well, I tell you what, next time you're in, I want to do a demo.
Sweet deal.
I want that scratch and heat I want to see that, all right? I want to see that. Right, let's take a look inside the van. I know the guy that's built it. I've given him a shout. He should be with us any second now. Bravo! So going back to the PPF before we jump inside, this is the factory colour on the left side, and then this is the satin PPF. Straight away, I can see it's another Caravelle setup, but I can also see you haven't quite finished, which is all right, because we can see like the ins and outs and stuff, which is great. People need to see that too. This is a massive, popular build now, isn't it?
100%. My last one was very similar.
Yeah.
The last three, I think, actually.
Yeah,
Caravelles.
crikey. I mean, carpet floor.
Carpet floor.
What would you say, I mean, to customers out there are looking down and thinking, you know, I don't know what floor to go for.
Yeah.
In your opinion, carpet,
is very practical, very easy clean, very hard wearing. maybe.
Outro.
Again, it's got a purpose, but it's just very clinical, I'd say.
And then like fancy flooring.
Like the last one where we had the herringbone,
Yeah.
which was quite nice. But again, it's a little bit, well, I like the herringbone. A lot of work for what we did in it.
It's very true. It's very true. I mean, I personally prefer the carpet.
Yeah,
but
I'd have
me.
to, yeah,
I want
agree.
to take my shoes off and get in a bit
Yeah,
luxury.
a bit homely.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to jump in, Robbo.
Yep.
Can you just give us a quick, tell us about this beautiful upholstery we got here?
So this one, the customer, I think, has gone a little bit, still very nice, a little more underrated. So he's
Okay.
gone with the GTE inserts.
Yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's really nice, actually.
And nice blue leather. Again, Caravelle bench. This is having 2 front singles as well.
Yeah,
Caravelle table.
nice.
So very similar again, because he wants to prepare for almost camper, but without going pop top. So a later date, if he wanted to go pop top, he can. Because obviously with the Caravelle bench and the table and the singles, obviously we can fold into a bed.
Yeah, that's nice. It's nice the way that we will do things in stages for customers as well.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, no, I like that. It's good.
And again, this one's got 240 hookup. It's
Yeah.
got inverter under the seat. It's got leisure system.
Which leather system is in here, Rob?
This one's just the normal AGM with C-Tech.
Oh, okay, so you've got C-Tech DC,
Yeah.
Victron inverter under there.
Victron inverter under there, diesel heater.
Nice.
So he's pretty much set for camper
Okay.
without pop top and going anything else. Again, this one's got TV because he works, he's going to use it as a work vehicle.
Oh,
The customer's got a lot of high-end cars, got some nice Porsches, got some nice Ferraris.
Little meet and greet room.
Exactly
on
that.
the go.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
And I like this one as well because the silver breaks it.
It does,
So
yeah.
it's gone through. So the black sometimes can be a little bit too dark, I think.
Can, yeah, like black on black, although it
Yeah.
does look very fancy.
I mean, this one again's got
Can
halo.
be quite dark. It's got a halo.
So it's got halo lighting.
I do apologise, I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
But, oh, yes, okay.
So with the silver, I think it just works quite nice.
So again, it's a lovely feature, isn't it?
Yeah.
Adds a bit of mood lighting.
Yeah,
It's
again-
subtle, you can dim it down.
Correct, RGB. So again, it's all on an app. You can change the color, dim it.
Yeah, that's really smart.
Yeah.
Really smart. And this, I know it's not got a fancy pattern
Sean's
in
not done
yet.
his.
No, I know, but it just looks lush. It almost looks like the moon.
Yeah, it
it's
looks
really
very
weird.
sort of-
I know It's
yeah.
a really weird thing to say, but it does look very moon-like. No, I like that. That's sick. Join us inside, mate, because this is lovely.
It's a nice place to be, isn't
It is a lovely place to be. Can you just give me a little info as to what we've got in here? I can see a few bits that I obviously already know about,
Yep.
but I want you to tell me what we've got, Robbo.
So again, on this one, the customer's opted for digital dash.
Oh, sick, yeah.
Digital dash. We've got Caravelle dash,
Caravelle dash, lovely.
so lower dash.
Brushed alley,
Brushed alley.
nice. Oh, yeah, yeah. Even on the door handles as well, actually, which
Yeah.
is pretty sick.
And on these ones, we've got GTC sport seats with, again,
They're
the GT inserts.
Do you know what? I know I've lost a little bit of weight, but I fit in this seat like
They hug you, these seats, don't they?
snug.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
And we've got the little cool box in between.
Oh, that's tidy. That's tidy.
And again, because the customer just wanted to prepare, these are on swivels. So he can swivel around and have a big meeting room or...
Benefits on the swivels?
Again, it just makes it into basically one big room, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? You
So-
can just spin around and chat
Yeah.
away, put your feet up, chill out.
So you've got 5 seats in the back, all of a sudden 7 seats, and when you spin these round and just have a big meeting room.
Yeah, I like that. Well, these are two on spinners, aren't they? So they could literally be like halfway and
Yeah, yeah. So you can
Sitting
literally
round
have
a
one
table.
big conference room.
this is going to be a naughty van, mate. Naughty van. Alcantara in the front.
Alcantara on the front.
Yeah.
Silver again, just brought
Silver
through.
again. I mean, workmanship, Robbo. Congratulations.
Thank you, mate. Diesel heat control up here, just so it's easy accessible for customer.
That is actually. Also as well, if they want it on and the driver can put it
Yeah.
on or prep his van or whatever. I like that. That's a cracking location.
Yeah.
Again, even with the pop top, I think that's the best location rather than being in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, at night time you can reach it, can't you?
Exactly that. And you just set it to what you need to do, set it to your temperature, and she'll just keep kicking in now.
I like it. I like it. Well done, Robbo. Right, let's jump out. we come out and we're around the front of the van. Robbo, the styling on this van, what have we got here, buddy?
On the front there, we've got our own TTS front kit.
Yeah, colour coded, lovely,
Yep.
lovely.
Again, all go in satin, so it'll all go satin PPF and all match and go through.
That's class. I mean, I can't get over this PPF.
No, it's such a lovely finish.
It makes it look so nice. Obviously, Freddie hasn't done this piece here yet.
No.
But he's done this piece and it just looks...
And again, the customer's got Streamer 3 colour coded, so that's Starlight.
Lovely.
And then we've got the gloss black on the other two.
And he's gonna PPF these, he told me.
Did he?
Yeah, boy's got some skills. Let's just jump around this side for us, Robbo. Arch kit,
Yep.
colour coded.
Colour coded TTX overarch kit.
Lovely.
It has got carbon side skirts.
Hang on. Whoa, hang on. I've just found my new favourite wheel, I think, Rob.
Yeah, they are, I hate to say it, it's lovely to see something not black.
No, yeah.
Some silver wheels with that colour.
Some Judd wheels.
Yep.
Decent amount of tyre, so you won't feel the big potholes.
No,
What suspension is it?
just the H&R Progressive.
Okay, lovely.
So again, sits quite nice. It'll be a
And
nice drive.
I'll keep interrupting you, mate.
You
They're
carry on.
wrapping round some sick brakes.
Yep. Starlight Blue, big brake kit.
Yeah.
So
Mean.
she's gonna
stop, isn't
Yeah.
she? She's gonna stop. Right, sorry.
no
Carbon side skirts,
It has got
colour coded.
Yeah.
Oh, they are really nice. I mean, I know you're, I don't know, 80% through on this build, and I know you've got a couple of little bits left,
Couple of little bits.
but it still looks already like I'd drive it around.
Oh,
wouldn't you?
100%. In fairness, this one's kind of, the last one was a big build for me, and like OTT with Starlight roof and everything, but this one with the silver wheels, a little bit more underrated.
Yeah,
It's a
and
really nice,
We've
stealthy.
seen a few of these Judd wheels come through recently.
We have,
as well,
but not silver.
actually.
We've seen them in the bronze.
Yes, yeah. It just matches.
Yeah.
It works really, really well. Oh, he's done these as well.
Yeah.
I need to stop touching it. Although it's scratched.
Self-healing.
Self-healing.
Yeah.
Right, rear end. Another little naughty joke. It's a bit moist at the moment. This rear end is looking very moist. No. Robbo?
Again, our rear splitter kit
Yep.
on that with a, because she's got 4Motion, so she's got rear diff.
Got full motion.
Yeah, she's 4Motion.
Oh, she's going to be a proper road weapon.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So the customer's opted, we've gone TTRC exhaust.
Nice, nice. That's really nice. That.
Yeah, just a little hint of carbon there.
Oh, mate, it's quality. I'm going to have to just pop this up. I know Freddie's probably going to kill me, but he can rewash it, can't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's smart. Oh.
We got van shades throughout.
Ah, what colour? Oh, they're lovely. Ravina blue.
Then they're basically Ravina blue colour, but I think they're called Moonstone, if I remember.
Moonstone. Oh, that's new to me. Wow. Okay, I can see Freddie glaring at me, so I'm going to have to get out of the way. Sorry, Freddie. You might need to wipe that bit. Right, sick. Right, I think from me and Van Haven and Workshop Wednesday, this is an epic van. If you want to know any more about it, just comment in the comments below. If you like this video, if you like this van, give it a thumbs up. But you'll see us in another Workshop Wednesday.